Hello and assalamu alaikum. This is me Zishan Hassan, and this in this mini session we will look at the introduction of audit and assurance AA, previously known as F8 exam mini session, audit and other assurance engagement. Firstly, we need to know that why audit is needed. For this purpose, I will tell you a little example, right? My self-made example. For example, this is Mr. A, right? He started his own business, right? His business extended to a certain extent, and then his business growth has stopped. Why stopped? Because of various limitations. For example, mental limitations. For example, um, you know, physical limitations. For example, financial limitations. So what he decided? He decided to include few partners with him. Again, their business grow again started to a certain level, then again due to physical limitation or mental limitation and financial limitation, their growth has stopped. So now they decided to list their company in the stock market. When they listed their company, obviously what they had done, they issued the shares, and when they issued the shares, shareholders came into the company. For example, their financial year is 1st January to 31st December. On 31st December, they presented a financial statements to shareholders, right? So shareholders asked them that how we can believe that this financial statement is absolutely correct. So management said that financial statement cannot be absolutely correct. So shareholders asked, why do we hired you then? They said that we this financial statement contains so many assumptions, right? Assumptions on bad debts, assumptions on you know for example on bad debts, provisions, etc. So they said, then what you can give? They said, we can give you reasonable assurance. um, so they said that how can we believe that this financial statement is reasonably fair? So one of the director asked one of the peon of the company to give them an evidence that directors are honest personnel, but shareholders refused to listen to him. They said, we will only accept that this financial presents reasonably true and fair view only if the person is neutral, if the person is independent, and has the knowledge of IS and IS IFRS. And with this, the need of auditor arise. Now let me tell you what is audit. Audit, what is audit? An audit is an independent examination of financial statement to express an opinion whether financial statement presents true and fair view in all material respects. And this means, true means that there is no bias and discrimination. Fair means what should have been included in the books, what book, which book, sales day book, purchase day books, etc., has been included in the financial statements. Okay. Now this is audit. Um, what are the advantages of audit? Sleeping partner of the business will be more confident. Taxation authorities will be more confident. Employees will be more confident. Internal control weaknesses will be found. And what are the disadvantages? Human error can be made by auditors. They can be collusion with management of auditors, and they have limited resources. For example, they have to do complete audit in 3 to 4 months, right? So the resources are limited. I hope we get it, and this is helpful to you.